Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Zahed Arzouni. I'm an architecture student, and my group member is Mohammed Ali Reza Tehrani, an architecture student. Today, we're working on a restoration of the Beirut port, supervised by Assistant Prof. Dr. Ehsan Reza of Cyprus International University. The country is Lebanon, and our site is the port of Beirut, which is in the capital of Beirut, the capital of Lebanon. The port city of Beirut is the capital and largest city of Lebanon. The capital city of Lebanon area square is 19.8 kilometers squares. On the 4th of August 2020, that would be a memorial day for every Lebanese person to remember. The explosion caused at least 218 deaths, 7,000 injuries, and billions of dollars in property damage, and leaving estimated 300 people homeless. This is the aftermath of the ugly event that happened, and Lebanon is still reeling after a catastrophic explosion in the Beirut port on the August 4th, 2020, which killed over 200 people and injured over 7,000 more. The explosion, which also heavily damaged the port city silos, broke the city apart. The blast that shook the city port on August 4, 2020, completely destroyed the port of Beirut and severely damaged the surrounding city region. So, our project goal is to reproduce the reverberation of the explosion in order to heal and repair what it destroyed. The plan and design will take into account the most effective way to return Beirut's income generator to its previous glory. The new design of reverberation modifies the port for the capital's future with a concept, and we would like to generate commercial activities strategically situated around the port region. The main purpose is to add non-traditional enterprises to the port by reusing fragment shapes from the explosion to help in reconstruction of the Beirut port. The connection runs through the master plan to connect the different zones, a network of dynamic and beautiful gestures inspired by natural connection flows from the city of Beirut to connect and unite the port's fragmented zones to the city fabrics, forming a totally new and highly linked urban landscape. This is our concept process. Our concept is reverberation, picking up the pieces of the explosion and making use of it for the future purpose by using the fragments from the explosion. This is our diagram. We have the roof, concrete, and the lighting, the outer layer, the shading device, the inner layer, and we have vertical axis beside the memorial. This is our concept and how we got our form on the site. The double skin facade is a distinct architectural trend driven by primarily by the stylistic desire for an all-glass facade. This is our site plan and how it's divided in spaces. This is a video of our project. We have the plaza where people can gather around, have a chill, and enjoy the view. And we have our commercial corridor. We have some commercial shops where people from outside of the city can come and enjoy and relax, use the spaces around the port. This is our passenger deck and accommodation and hotel residential place for people that are waiting for their transits. And here we have the memorial, the Remain Memorial Place and Entertainment. Um, we use the old silos and we try to protect it. We try to use the building shape to protect the old silos, and we try to use it as a historic icon in the port of Beirut, and where people would come remember remember the explosion that happened on the August 4th, 2020. And it's a memorial place where people that lost their families could come and see. Here we have the empty container zone admin, and this is our new silos for the grains. And this is our empty container zone. And here we have the truck and vehicle parking space, and we have the port admin. This is our port admin. And here we have the fish souk, the market for fish. People could use it to export fish from inside and export it to the other city in Lebanon. And this is our container terminal. We have the cranes where they could pick up the containers, and from here they get transferred to the container zones. So this is our hope, and this is our concept for the port of Beirut, to bring it back alive. The work was done by Zahed Arzouni and Muhammad Ali Tehrani of Cyprus International, and supervised by Dr. Assistant Prof. Dr. Ahsan Reza. Thank you very much.